So how to repair a scooter seat that is broken, the hinges. I'm working through that now. The seat, you'll remember, was all higgledy-piggledy. It was held on with cable ties because at some point in the past, whoever had it before me must have tried fixing it and sawed off the hinges or something. So I'm trying to get it back secured, and my idea is to add a bit of a plywood to extend the hinge. You'll see what I mean. So right now the seat actually doesn't sit correctly. Well, it sits correctly, but it doesn't move or stand up in the straight line. So you'll see here now, previously they had cable ties going through the plastic bodywork and to the hinge, and the holes were not in the right place. So my idea is I'm going to add a little bit of extension here and show you how to fix a seat. So I'm marking out where the hinge comes up to and where the holes are, so I can actually makeshift something together. So I've got a bit of thin plywood here, which I'll paint black so it can't be seen. Ideally metal may have been better, but I'm thinking previously it's a plastic body. So if I add a bit of wood to it, then you know what, it's going to be better than what it was before. So I'm trying to fix it basically. So made a couple of holes, found some metal carriage bolts, which I'm going to use to hold it into place. You'll see as I go through this how it works out and how it looks. So I'll let you watch the rest of this with a bit of music, and hopefully you find it interesting the way I'm doing this. It's observing what I'm doing basically to see if you can do something similar if your scooter seat is broken.